What up guys, how you guys doing? I'm Talis and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're going to be checking out a awesome table lamp. So let's go to the video. So this is the Cat Light. As you can see, this is a really nice model to print. And in this video, we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So let's go. So as you can see, this is a really nice model and let's go to the print settings. So first off, we're going to be printing this model at 0.2 millimeter layer height. We can be decreasing to 0.18 millimeters, feel free to do so. But in this video, I'm going to be prioritizing time and quality. So 0.2, we're going to get a balance between both. So the lines are not going to be visible, but you can go a step forward and reduce to 0.18 to get a better quality print. And if you increase it to 0.22 millimeters, you're going to have a faster print because it's going to have less layers to print. Right here on vertical shelves, we're going to be printing at 3 perimeters, just so we can get a really rigid model. If we go over, we're going to be printing this model at a different infill pattern. This time, we're going to be going to concentric, just so we can get a better and better shine on our model. As you can see right here, so we have this part right here, so our cats, and we got this part that's gonna be the light cap. So you can just insert it right here. This is going to be quite nice. So by printing with concentric, we're gonna have an infill that shines better light through our model just to get a better result. And our cats are gonna light it up a bit. So we're gonna be printing at a 10% concentric. So this is quite nice. Going over to skirt and brim, this model does not need any brim because it's got a solid surface of contact to the build plate, so we do not need to worry with that at all. Right here on support material, this model does not need any support material because it's optimized for printing. So this is great. We do not need to worry with that at all. As for speed, we can be printing this model at the standard print speed, especially for Bamboo Lab printers. So we do not need to worry with that at all. Just make sure that the first layer is at a good value because the first layer is the most important layer. So print really slowly because all of the other layers are going to go on top of this one. So print a good first layer. As you can see, we are ready to slice our Cat Light right here. So as you can see, we can be slicing. This is a this is to cover the light right here and shine light. We're gonna have to print it really thin, so we're gonna be printing within vase mode. So I'm gonna show you in a second. First off, let's slice this one. So as you can see, we have slicing. It's gonna take 70 hours and 47 minutes to print on the standard Ender 3v3 SE. As you can see, it looks quite nice. This is at a concentric print, so shine is gonna light through. This is quite nice. And right here, we got a bridge on this part. This is a really short bridge, so we do not need to worry with that at all. It's going to print perfectly fine, but feel free to add some paint on support if you may like. Let's go to the other part that is going to be printed in vase mode. So let's take a look. So to print this part in vase mode, we're going to go to the print settings right here. And if we go to spiral vase, you see that it's going to be printing in vase mode. So this is quite nice. Right here, we do not need to select anything, so don't generate support material. The infill, it changed already to 0% and 1 perimeter shell. So this is quite nice. Let's slice and take a look. So as you can see, it's gonna take 13 minutes to print. And if you take a look, it's being printed in vase mode. But as you can see, if you go down the layers, you'll see that right here, we got a bottom layer. So this is gonna help with the bed adhesion. So it's going to increase our model's contact to the build plate instead of being just one right here. So there's two options to solve this. As you can see, this has a really fine layer right here. This helps a lot with the bed adhesion. There's two options, and you can be printing like this and going over and cutting just this layer right here. So you can just remove this first layer. This is gonna help while printing, and afterwards you can just remove it, so cut it, or you can be going over here and going to the print settings. As you can see right here on bottom, you select 0, so it's not gonna have any bottom, and we can be adding a 5mm brim. I do recommend this option better than the other one. So let's just slice and take a look. So as you can see, this way we got a really nice brim to help with the bed adhesion, and we got a solid vase. This is a much better option than having to cut it afterwards. You're gonna have a really nice model. So this looks fantastic. And if you want, you can increase the brim a lot more to help with the bed adhesion. It's gonna take 8 minutes to print, and it's gonna turn into a really nice model. So grab a really nice filament that you have laying around and print this model right now. This is a really nice assemble model that will look really nicely on your table lamp. So the models are ready to print. Make sure to check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLFlix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.